Hi everyone, we are from Group 1. So we are doing the experiment 7A, which is Principle of Pascal's Law. For this experiment, we have to get 5 readings. Before that, we have to close some of the valves, which are the valve V4, V5, V6, and then V7. After that, we have to slowly open the pump and then let the water flow throughout the valve V2. And then with this, we will get the water flow into this tank. So with the water flowing into the tank, we have to get 5 heights of readings. And then we have to get the pressure reading over here.
Okay, next we are going to open the valve to let the enter water. After that, we are going to open valve V2 so that the water will enter inside this tank. The water will enter until the required desired, which is 4.0 liters. Okay, once we close the valve V2, we are going to use a ruler to measure the height of the water entered the tank. So it is estimated at 30.0. Okay, after we will be taking the volume and the height of the reading, next we are going to take the pressure reading. So you just see here, which is in millibar. So the pressure is going to be 16. Okay, next we repeat the experiment using 5 different heights. How is it? We drain the water so that the height manipulates. So we just open this valve for the water to be drained until the next desired height.
Okay, hi. We'll be doing the experiment 7D, which is the principles of Boyle's law. So how do we start it? Here's how we start it. First of all, we have to make sure valve V2 is closed, valve V4 is closed, and valve V6 is closed. So once we have made sure all the valves are closed, we have to open V5 and we have to open V7 and we let air in. So we open it until the Bourdon gauge shows that it's 0 and this gauge also shows that it's 0. So once we have made sure it is 0, we have to close it. Now we are closing it. And after closing the valves, we record the volume of air in this tank and also the volume of air in this tank. So, once we have made sure all the valves are open and some of them are closed, we have to open the pump. This is how we open the pump. Now, once the pump is open, we have to slowly open V4 and let water enter the tank. So we have to let water enter until it stops, until the air is fully compressed.
Okay. After that, we will open the V4, valve 4, and then we let the water flow, and then we will wait until the water stop flow. When the water is stop flowing, we close the V4 valve, and then we will record the volume of the water, and then we will record the pressure up there. Once we have recorded both, and then we will open the V6 and let the water flow to the next apparatus. Once the water stop flowing, we will once again record the volume and the pressure for this experiment. We have recorded the volume and the pressure here, and then we will also record the volume and pressure here.
Okay, Firdaus has explained what we do with the tank and the pressure gauge. So once we've done this part, and we have to drain the water out. So to drain it, we have to make sure we have to open this valve very slowly and let air out. And it's going out. And we have to do the same thing with this tank as well. well, I forgot to mention, we have to make sure the pump is on. So once we have let air out, we open V4. Wait, we open V6. And we open V4. Now the water is being drained out. That marks the end of experiment 7D. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This will be 7E, the buoyant force, to measure the buoyant force. So firstly, we have to weight this block in air. And to read the weight through that scale, very, very small. Once we have that, we measure the amount of water displaced, because according to the buoyancy, to calculate buoyant force, we need to know the weight of water displaced, which is equal to the buoyant force. So now we will put this block into the water. Dekat air masuk. So we release it in water, and the water is being displaced. We will record the volume of the water displaced, and then we will calculate the weight. Okay.